Questions Anonymous by Teens 2023 edition. Hi, I'm Melissa Robbins, the director of Hope Place Fordyce, a pregnancy and family resource center located in Fordyce, Arkansas. I had the privilege to teach fetal development in a high school classroom, and these were the questions that I received. Our question number 4 is, when a man gets you pregnant, does their DNA stay and alter your DNA? I've read something about this, and I'm curious. So let's start if you're not pregnant. Let's say just being sexually active in the semen. The semen can live inside of you, inside of the uterus, for up to 7 days. And then after that, if it doesn't fertilize anything, then it's flushed out during a period. But then we have if you get pregnant. And so per se, part of the man's DNA, like half of your DNA and part of that man's DNA makes the unborn baby. And as soon as that blastocyst and it attaches to the lining of the uterine wall and becomes an embryo, and then you have the placenta and the umbilical cord that connects to the inside of the uterine wall, there is a transfer of DNA and blood and fluids between the mother and it's called, I think it's fetal maternal transfer. So there is a transfer of fluids between the baby and the mother, and that includes blood, and there is evidence that supports that this transfer, that there could exist within the mother decades after that baby's born, decades, that there is still within the mother, there is that that DNA evidence of that child is still present inside that mother decades later. So in a way, as far as altering your DNA, I don't know if there's evidence to support that, but as far as being present and being a part of it, I think I had heard one time that something similar where the mother had gotten sick, and I don't know if they had done some studies or something and found that that the fetal cells had went to that spot to help repair damage to the mother. But I don't know if that's even, if there's even, I didn't even find that study anywhere. So really, the only evidence that I found was that yes, there is a transfer of DNA. Part of that is the father, the biological father's DNA that helped make that unborn human, that there is a transfer, and that DNA can remain a part of you for decades after your baby has been born. And so there is evidence to that, but as far as altering your DNA, I've not seen that there's evidence to that, but it does stay a part of you for many, many decades. So I hope that answered your question.